area of cross section is A prime and resistance is R prime. Now, in such type of question, we have to consider that they're made up of the same type of material. Okay, if its length is doubled, that if initially they are made up of steel, now also they will be made up of steel. If initially they are made up of silver, now also they will be made up of silver. So their resistivity is same, okay, in both of the cases. So I will write one more statement that their resistivity is same. Okay, now the case 1, what is that? Length is doubled, only length is doubled. Okay, what does it mean? It means that my new length is double of initial length. Area of cross section isn't given, so I will consider that both are equal. Okay, now since R equal to rho times L divided by A, and this is the older case, after changes its resistance is R prime and it is equal to rho times L prime divided by A prime. Now it means that what we will have here, now we will take ratio. What ratio? R prime divided by R. In place of R prime, I will keep this value, rho times L prime divided by A prime whole divided by rho times L divided by A. This row and this row will be getting cancelled. I will be remaining with L prime by A prime. This A will go upward and this will be L divided by, A divided by L. Okay, now keeping up the values, L prime is equals to 2L, A prime is equals to A. If I will keep this value, keep it as it is, A and A will be getting cancelled, L and L will be getting cancelled, I will get a perfect number 2. So my R prime by R is equals to 2. This means that new resistance is double of older resistance. Okay, what does it mean? That new resistance is double of older resistance. Okay, this was my first case. Now the second, area of cross section is doubled. It means that for solving bit B, my new area is double of initial area. Okay, and no data has been given about the length, so I am writing it as it is. Now my R will be equal to again rho times L divided by A, and new resistance will be rho times L prime divided by A prime. Okay, so taking ratio, I will get R prime divided by R. If you haven't understood the last time, watch it here. After taking ratio, in place of R prime, I have to keep same value, rho divided by rho times L prime divided by A prime whole divided by rho times L by A. this row and this row will be getting cancelled. I will get here L prime divided by capital A prime into A going upward, A divided by L. Now what we do have, that my A prime is 2 of A. It means in place of L I will write this value L, and in place of A prime I will write 2A into A divided by L. Everything will be getting cancelled, and I will get R prime by R is equal to 1 by 2. It means that my R prime is half of older resistance. Okay, so from this result we can conclude that new resistance is half of older resistance. Okay, now case C. Now from here the things are going to change. Okay, the question was length is doubled and area of cross section is halved. Okay, so length is doubled and area of cross section is halved. My older resistance R will be equal to rho times L by A, and new resistance R prime should be equal to L prime divided by A prime. So now I can write that R prime by R is equal to rho times L prime by A prime divided by rho times L by A. This row and this row will be getting cancelled. I will get again same thing. Till here things are gonna be same. We have to put the values very much carefully. In place of L I should write, in place of L prime I should write 2L. In place of A prime I should write half of A, means 1 by 2 into A into A by L. Now this L and this L will be getting cancelled, this A and this A will be getting cancelled. I have 2 in numerator and half in denominator, so this 2 will go upward and I will get 4. This 4 is value of R prime by R. So what can I conclude from this result? That my R prime is equals to 4 times R, and I can conclude that new resistance is 4 times the older one. This is gonna be 4 times the older one. And the last bit, and it is going to be very much similar to the third part. Okay, the bit D. So I will do some quick calculations now. Okay, I have done it thrice and I'm bored. Length is halved and area is doubled. Now fourth bit is length is halved and area is doubled. So in that case my new length is half of older length and area of cross section is doubled, resistance is same, and new resistance will be looking like this. Now I have to take R prime divided by R. R prime will be equal to rho L prime by A prime. R will be rho L by A, rho and rho getting cancelled. I will get L prime by A prime into A by L. Now we have to be careful. In place of L prime I will write half of L divided by, in place of A prime I will write double of A into A divided by L. This A, L and L will be getting cancelled. this 2 will come to the denominator, 1 by 2 into 2, I will get 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 is the value of r prime by r. Okay, so my r prime will be equal to 1/4 of older resistance. So what I have concluded that new resistance is 1/4 of older resistance. Now, so this part has been covered. Okay, the resistivity, the part of the resistivity ends here in class 10th. So this was all about it, but what we have studied is very much important. It is indeed one of the most kinkiest concept of this chapter, but I hope so you will understand this, and in the next class I will come here with some more numerical problem related to this part only. Okay, and obviously the next topic also. So particularly in the last question, I have given you 4 different conditions, but in general, in numerical problem, we are going to have only one condition, that